Hello students, let us continue exercise 7.2. Now discuss SAS congruence rule. Question number 3. Measure of some part of triangles are indicated by applying SAS congruence rule. State the pair of congruent triangles if any in each case. In case of congruent triangles, write them in symbolic form. Triangle ABC and triangle RPQ given AC equal to 2.5 centimeter and also given RP equal to 2.5 centimeter. Angle C 35 degree, angle P 35 degree and given also BC equal to 3 centimeter and PQ equal to 3 centimeter. Now this is your beautiful diagram. Now in triangle ACB and triangle RPQ, given that AC equal to 2.5 centimeter, also RP equal to 2.5 centimeter given. Both are equal. Now angle C and angle P both are equal to 35 degree. So we write 35 degree also given. Given BC equal to PQ equal to 3 centimeter. This is also given. Also correspondence rule. A correspondence to R and C correspondence to P. B correspondence to Q. Again repeat. C correspondence to P. C and P both have same angle 35 degrees. So C correspondence to P. And line segment 2.5 centimeter and line segment AB both meet at point A. Similarly, line segment 2.5 centimeter and the line segment RQ both meet at point R. So A correspondence to R, C correspondence to P, similarly B correspondence to Q. So we write by side angle side congruence rule, triangle ACB congruent triangle RPQ by SAS congruence criterion, SAS congruence rule. This is your required solution. Now third part, triangle DEF and triangle PQR given DF equal to 3.5 centimeter, PQ equal to 3.5 centimeter, angle F is 40 degree, angle Q is 40 degree, EF is 3 centimeter, QR is 3 centimeter. Now we write in triangle DEF and triangle PRQ. Given DF equal to 3.5 centimeter and PQ equal to 3.5 centimeter, so they are equal, that is given. Angle F and angle Q both are given as 40 degree angle. So angle F equal to angle Q both are equal, that is 40 degree also given. EF equal to 3 centimeter, QR equal to 3 centimeter. So we write EF equal to RQ equal to 3 centimeter. Both are equal, that is 3 centimeter given. Now by applying side angle side congruence rule, triangle DEF congruent triangle PRQ by SAS congruence criterion. Now again repeat, by correspondence rule, F and Q both have same angle, so they are correspondence to each other. F correspondence to Q, F correspondence to Q. And line segment 3.5 centimeter and DE both meet at point D, and line segment 3.5 centimeter and PR meet at point P. So D corresponds to P, D corresponds to P, F corresponds to Q. Now line segment 3 centimeter and line segment ED both meet at point E. Line segment QR 3 centimeter and line segment RP meet at point R. E corresponds to R, E corresponds to R, D corresponds to P, D corresponds to P, F corresponds to Q, F corresponds to Q, E corresponds to R, E corresponds to R. So we write triangle DEF, congruent triangle PRQ. This is your required solution by SAS congruence rule. Now question number 4. This is your diagram PQRS. Given that PQ equal to 3.5 centimeter and SR is 3.5 centimeter, both are equal, and angle QPR is equal to angle PRS, both have 30 degree. Now we write triangle PQR and triangle RSP. PQ equal to SR equal to 3.5 centimeter given. PQ 3.5 centimeter, RS 3.5 centimeter, both are equal, so we write 3.5 centimeter given. Angle QPR 30 degree, angle SRP also 30 degree, so they are equal. Write as given both angles, that is 30 degree. Now PR common in both triangle, PR equal to PR common side. Given both triangle have common side, PR common side. Now triangle PQR congruent triangle RSP by side angle side congruence rule, by side angle side congruence rule. Again repeat, PQ 3.5 centimeter and RQ meet at point Q, RS 3.5 centimeter and PS meet at point S. S corresponds to Q, S corresponds to Q, and P corresponds to R. Now using SAS congruence rule, PQR triangle PQR congruent triangle RSP by SAS congruence rule. Now in triangle, in figure, AB line segment and CD line segment bisect each other at point O. This means OC equal to OD, both line segment equal. Similarly, OA equal to OB, both are equal, because AB line segment and CD line segment bisect each other at point O. So this part equal to this part and this part equal to this part. State three pairs of equal parts into triangle AOC and triangle BOD. Now given AB line segment and CD line segment bisect each other at point O, in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, given OA equal to OB, given angle AOC means this angle equal to angle BOD means this angle. Both angles are equal because vertical opposite angles are equal. AB line and CD line cross each other at point O. So vertical angle, they are vertical angle. Similarly, OC equal to OD. Line segment given because AB and CD bisect each other, so OA equal to OB and OC equal to OD because they are bisect each other at point O. AB line segment and CD line segment bisect each other at point O. So OA equal to OB and OC equal to OD given. Now using by side angle side congruence rule, triangle AOC congruent triangle BOD. Hence second statement is true. Hence second statement is true. Triangle AOC congruent triangle BOD. Now do try the page number 144 in your fair notebook. Thank you.